Curious about the fuse box and its layout in the 2023 GMC Terrain? The fuse box is designed to protect various electrical components, and understanding its location and functions can help you troubleshoot issues like blown fuses. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2023 GMC Terrain features a compact design with clearly labeled fuses for critical systems, including the engine, cooling fans, and lighting, ensuring easy identification and maintenance. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2023 GMC Terrain offers easy access and clearly labeled fuses for interior electronics, such as the infotainment system, power windows, and lighting. It ensures quick troubleshooting and maintenance of in-cabin electrical systems. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2023 GMC Terrain provides easy access to fuses controlling rear electrical systems like the tail lights and power liftgate. Its organized layout allows for straightforward identification and maintenance of rear-end functions.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.